turns 13 and 14. Marquez leads away. I think it's Andrea. It's gone up the inside, and Dovizioso takes the lead going into 13.
So Andrea Dovizioso leads this race for the first time. This now means at some stage in the last 4 Grand Prix, Andrea Khan, Redding 4th, and it's the latest Spargo, Vinales, quick check on the Yamahas, Rossi 11th, Lorenzo back in 13th.
Quick again, he pulls up alongside Marc Marquez as they come into turn 5, and Redding's up to 3rd place.
We've got an all Ducati top 3 then here in Brno.
The family down here again between the trees, down towards this fastest section, 3 and 4, and up the inside comes Scott Redding. Scott Redding now moves into 2nd place.
Yeah, Redding look rear on.
Is it a mistake by Rossi, or is it just a good ride by Crutchlow? Ooh, he almost nudges him out of the way. He's left a big enough gap though. There's Valentino Rossi behind Bradley Smith and Danny Petrosa at the back of that group now. And Crutchlow is all
Comfortably keeping his teammate Maverick Vinales away. This is a real good fight going on between Colin Spargo, Valentino Rossi, Bradley Smith and Danny Petrosa. This is a fight for 10th.
I wouldn't believe you were saying that, would you? So that is going to be one major
This
job.
is the man who's on the charge.
Crutchlow just scythes past Maverick Vinales.
Going out on intermediates now.
Well, it'll be interesting to see what sort of lap times he can produce. Of course, the problem's when the records.
Here is the overtaking manoeuvre. It's gained like a knife through butter, as you say. So comfortable for him.
He did not even have to work for that. He just got much better acceleration.
Closing up on Maverick Vinales, his teammate next season. Think he's going to get past him up the inside at turn 5. He has. Rossi on the charge, now up to 7th. And then he got it wrong, and Vinales got back at him.
Rossi up to 7th.
And Crutchlow's got through on Barbara, but Barbara has fallen back as they come into turn 3. He holds the advantage into 3 round the left. What about when they come right? Can Crutchlow get it back? No, he can't.
Bradley Smith entered the pit.